Yes, good afternoon. Thomas Schaefer here and Max Dog getting in on this video. This is a 2016 Mini Countryman. I just installed a remote starting system by Omegalink. The starting of this vehicle is controlled through the factory proximity key. You press the lock button 3 times in a row to activate the remote start. There's about a 7-second delay, and once the parking lights flash, the remote start sequence will then occur. Once the vehicle is remotely started, it will run like this for 25 minutes. When you come up to the vehicle, you can enter it by pressing the unlock button on the factory remote. Open the door, enter into the vehicle, and simply press the brake pedal to finish the takeover. Blossom Installations, Northeast PA, your technical, automotive, electrical installation experts, Blossom Installations.